Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Preeti Sharma, a doctor by choice. Without any family or societal pressure, it was a 17-year-old Preeti who decided to take up MBBS on the basis of her passion and personal determination. So with twinkling eyes, as Preeti entered her first year of MBBS, of course it was a rosy world. However, in life, even if you make decisions on the basis of your passion, there always comes a time when you question your decision. I had developed inclination towards pathology, a paraclinical subject which of course everyone advised me against. In that dilemma and how to approach this situation, I did not even realize, and in the blink of an eye, third prof was over. Only a medico can understand how final prof hits you, with all the final year subjects coming your way and with the NEET PG preparation that intensifies, it becomes extremely difficult to handle all the pressure. And I've always told everyone ever since that when in doubt and when you feel that the world cannot understand you, get back home. And that is where I got my guidance. So of course, being a first generation doctor, you don't expect too much of medical knowledge coming your way from your home. But guidance is something which your parents would give you the best. And that is what I did. I got the two best and golden pieces of advice which I follow in my life even till now. So the first question that my family asked me was, what was I scared of? And the answer was obvious. I was scared of the result, and more so of failure. Also, what I was scared of was that if I do not choose the conventional path, what would a certain set of people say? The advice that I got following it has been the best that I have received till date. I was told that you will experience all the highs and lows of your life on your own, and the others would only be there for a very brief moment to probably celebrate or mock you. The only competition that you have is you, and you need to make sure that you do better than what you did yesterday. Of course, it's not going to be an overnight success, but definitely after multiple failures, there would come a time where you would shine, and you would shine bright. The next advice that I got has actually shaped my career not just as a doctor, but also as an educator. I was told by my father that do not aim to be the most successful person that people know. Make sure that in a room full of people, when everyone talks about who's the most hardworking, the most humble, and the most grounded person, all heads should turn towards you, and thereafter success shall be a byproduct. These golden words have truly shaped me as a pathologist and as an educator, and this I plan to take on for a lifetime. Whatever I have learned through the ups and downs of life, I have implemented the same in version X. So version X of PrepLadder is not just a study tool or an app. It's an emotion, it's a mentor, it's your friend. So let me brief you through all the features that we have added in this version. सबसे पहला फीचर है English video lectures. अब आपके पास ऑप्शन रहेगी लैंग्वेज चेंज करने की. वीडियो ड्यूरेशन 15% कम कर दी गई है. That doesn't mean कि किसी भी प्रकार का कंटेंट रिमूव हुआ है. We have made sure that teaching methodology चेंज हो गई है. So the redundancies have been removed and the comprehensiveness has been maintained. Concept clarity के लिए अब educators use करेंगे animations, image overlays and 3D models. अब बात करते हैं about PrepLadder's audio cue bank, जिसे हमने The Game Changer का नाम दिया है. So what no one thought of, we did. So now you will have an audio explanation after every MCQ. ऑडियो एक्सप्लेनेशन में भी आपके पास ऑप्शन रहेगी वेदर आप उसे हिंदी में सुनना चाहते हैं या इंग्लिश में. आखिरी में बात करते हैं अबाउट PrepLadder's मोस्ट अवेटेड फीचर एंड दैट इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड नोट्स एंड हाई क्वालिटी इमेजेस. अब आपको जो नोट्स प्रोवाइड होंगे दे विल बी नंबर 1 बुलेटाइज्ड, सेकेंडली दे विल हैव फ्लो चार्ट्स, थर्ड ऑल द इम्पॉर्टेंट हाईलाइटेड पॉइंट्स विल बी देयर, fourthly you will have integrated boxes, and last but not the least they have been structured in a manner so that not just you learn the content but you will be able to retain it for a much longer time. And we sincerely hope that this helps you in making your learning journey a lot smoother. Thank you.